Perhaps the biggest stock story of the year was Alibaba's initial public offering. Not only did it introduce investors to its CEO, Jack Ma, a colorful guy, but it also claimed the title biggest IPO ever. Kayla Tausche was at the New York Stock Exchange on the very day it started trading.
Alibaba is off and running. The Chinese e-commerce giant soaring above $90 in its debut after pricing at $68 a share. A company founded in the apartment of entrepreneur Jack Ma in 1999 with just a dozen partners, now responsible for 80% of China's e-commerce and valued today by the public market in the United States at $240 billion. Alibaba's business model is often described as a mashup between Amazon and eBay, but it's now a formidable challenge to tech companies here in the U.S. It's bigger than Disney, IBM, and JP Chase. But Ma said he draws inspiration from another U.S. corporation.
We hope in the next 15 years the world changed because of us. We want to be bigger than Walmart. We want to be bigger. It's not the size. We want to learn from Walmart. They changed the business last century. They strengthened the B2C. And we hope 15 years later, they say, this is the company like Microsoft, like IBM, like Walmart. They shape the world.
Alibaba's platform sold $269 billion in goods last year, and its vendors were responsible for 60% of all packages shipped in China. Alibaba helps small businesses connect to new customers and in turn buttressing China's middle class. That's the main reason why investors have been clamoring for shares. They're willing to pay much more than the $68 IPO price set by the company, formally minting Hangzhou's Jack Ma as the richest man in mainland China. But his fight to grow Alibaba is still centered on the little guy, one he's often reminded of by a famous movie character.
The hero I had is Forrest Gump, and I watched movie before I came here again.
For humility.
Yeah, for coming to the New York, because I watched the movie again and telling me that no matter whatever changed, you are you, and I'm still the guy 15 years ago.
Alibaba, of course, is now far bigger.